The state president of the Nationalist Congress Party NCP and Gambekre MLA Saleng Sangma today resigned as a member of the Assembly. Sangma submitted his resignation letter to the Commissioner and Secretary Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Andrew Simons at the old Assembly premises. Speaking to media persons after submitting his papers, Sangma said that being an NCP MLA he was not able to do much for the people. Later in the day, the former MLA joined Congress in the presence of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala.
With NCP, I have been there for many years. They have given me a platform before. I was there, I never wanted to betray. But the fact is that with NCP, I cannot serve the people. That's why I was sad. And then when I want to go forward to give some kind of a transformation to the people, I just cannot fulfill the dreams. I believe all our efforts and teamwork will definitely bring some kind of changes or bring better in the future.
The district election